Want to turn your free time into real money? In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a Telegram game bot where you can earn rewards simply by playing one fun and addictive game. It's super easy to use, no investment is required, and you can start collecting real cash right from your phone. Stick around till the end, and I'll show you step by step how it works.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos about making money online. Let's dive in. First, use the link that I've shared in the comments of this video and also in my Telegram channel to join the bot. When you open it for the first time, it might take a little while to fully load, so just be patient for a few seconds until everything is ready. Once the game is completely loaded, the daily rewards section will pop up. By clicking on Day 1, you can claim your first reward. If you keep logging in every day and claiming your daily rewards, on the 7th day, you'll receive 2 cents in Tether, and in the coming weeks, this amount might even increase. The game screen looks a bit busy. On the top left, you'll see your coin balance, and right next to it, your diamond balance. There's also a tournament section, where the top players of the game can win rewards. By clicking on Shop, you can spend your gems to purchase different in-game items. From the coin section inside the shop, you can also claim a free reward every 24 hours. You'll notice a special offer pack available as well, but honestly, I don't recommend buying it. In the tournament section, you can collect blue gems by spinning the wheel and attacking other players. These gems will help you climb up the leaderboard and win different prizes. These tournaments reset every few hours. There's also a second type of tournament, where you spin the wheel and collect special items. Right now, it's Santa hats. The required item changes every few days. For example, if I collect 33 Santa hats, I'll unlock a specific coin reward. Once I claim that reward, the next prize becomes available. From the Invite Friends option, you can copy your referral link and share it with your friends. For each friend who joins through your link, you'll receive 10,000 energy points, and later I'll explain what this energy is used for. There's also a donation section where you can buy different cards to support the game, but again, I don't really recommend that. Finally, there's the upvote section. By giving the game a positive rating, you can earn 10,000 energies and 100 spins as a reward. To do this, click on Vote. It will take you to the App Center bot. There, simply click on Upvote to rate the game. Remember, you need to have played for at least 24 hours before you're allowed to vote. Once you're done, return to the game bot and click on Check to claim your reward. By clicking on this option, you can earn Tether by inviting your friends. Keep in mind that the friends you invite must be real people, and they need to be active in the game for you to receive your reward. For example, inviting just one friend gives you 8 cents. Inviting 10 friends gives you 44 cents, and inviting 120 friends earns you $6.72. The more friends you invite, the bigger your rewards will be. There's also a pet section where you can buy and take care of different pets to get rewards. But honestly, I don't recommend spending money on this part. Now, let's move on to the main gameplay. By clicking on Spin, you can spin the wheel and collect different items. If you land on 3 hammers at once, you can attack another player and steal their resources. For example, when I attacked another user, I received some blue gems, which helped me climb higher in the tournament leaderboard. The higher your rank, the better the rewards you'll get. Next, let's talk about the use of coins. Swipe up to enter your village. Here, you can spend your coins to upgrade different parts of your village. Every time you upgrade, you also receive energy, which I'll explain more about in a moment. At the start of the game, you'll be in the first village, but as you keep upgrading, you'll unlock new villages. Now for the energy system. Swipe down to enter the mining section. This is where you can use your energy to mine the game's tokens. The more energy you have, the more rewards you'll get. After mining, your tokens will appear on the screen, and by clicking on them, you can collect them directly. By clicking on tasks, you can complete different missions like inviting friends, watching ads, and more to earn extra energy. From the partner section, you can also gain energy by starting other bots or joining Telegram channels. If you gather a large amount of energy and manage to climb the leaderboard, you can even win stars or Telegram Premium as rewards. Finally, there's the staking section, where you can lock up your tokens for anywhere from 1 week to 1 year to earn extra rewards. The minimum amount required for staking is 100 tokens. By clicking on your profile, you can change the game language from the language section. From here, you'll also have access to some extra features, but most of them I've already explained on the main game screen. When you click on your balance, you'll be taken to another page. Here, by clicking on Gift, you can enter your friend's ID and the amount you want to send, and then gift your tokens to them. From the Trade option, you can click Start to enter the trading section. If you press Sell, you can convert your tokens into USDT. The minimum amount you can trade is 1,000 tokens, which is equal to about 2.8 cents. After converting your tokens, go back to your profile and click on USDT. On this page, select Withdraw to move to the next step. In the Amount field, type in how much you want to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is just 0.01 USDT. Then, by clicking on Connect Wallet and linking your wallet to the game, your balance will be transferred to your account completely free of charge. And here you can see a real withdrawal proof which was successfully sent to my friend's wallet. So you can rest assured that this bot really does pay out.
And that's it for today's video. As you saw, this Telegram bot is a fun and simple way to play and actually earn real rewards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my upcoming videos about making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.